Welcome to Listen and Speak English. Hi, Emily.
Hi, how are you?
Fine. And you?
Fine, thanks.
Where are you going?
Actually, I am free in this period. I am wondering what to do.
I am going to the canteen. Will you come with me?
Okay,
Do you like Coke or do you prefer something else?
Coke is fine.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Where do you live, Emily?
Manhattan. And you?
In Brooklyn? Are you mostly free in the fifth period?
Yes, mostly. Except on Tuesdays when we have tutorials. I have to go now. Thanks for the Coke, James. Bye.
I see you.